So they just give you the Thai spice like bang. So when you eat it, make sure there's no makeup on. Spicy. The spicy eating. Hello my tribe, welcome back to Happy Raw Kitchen. Today we're gonna do Som Tam, which is a green papaya salad, which happens to be Thai ladies' favorite dish as a diet dish. So let's get onto the ingredients to see what we have for today. First and foremost, of course, is the green papaya, which you can find in Asian market, chilies, garlic, dried shrimp, tomatoes, long bean, peanuts, my favorite. I use them with skin because it has antioxidants with them, but it's up to you if you want it with skin or without, but I prefer with skin. The dressing itself is made of 3 components: balance of sour, which is from the lime, sweetness from the palm sugar, savory from fish sauce. Som Tam actually comes from Laos and is called Tam Mak Hong. There are many versions of Som Tam, and today the one that we are doing is Som Tum Thai. The rest of the Som Tam that is more adventurous, ingredients such as padek, which is fermented fish. Then we have crab. Those are more towards the Lao side, which actually Thai people like it a lot. I think for Som Tam Thai is the introductory for you to start off with. Som Tam was actually one of my favorite dishes I like to have coming to Thailand because it was so spicy, and back then they were not so sensitive towards tourist level of spiciness, so they just give you the Thai spice like bang, the spicy eating. So when you eat it, make sure there's no makeup on. Your makeup is gonna be gone by then because you've been perspiring and everything, and it looks like a mess. Not a first date dish. So the version we're gonna make today is the version that I like the most at an island called Kokret, where they actually make this mortar. The thing about Som Tam is you have to taste along the way to make sure that it's balanced. Different flavors of the Som Tam, like the salty, spicy, sweet, and then I remember it was a lady mixing it. She actually add lime skin into it. Just add a little bit of bitterness, and then you're like, oh, where did that come from? That kind of surprise. We only took pictures after eating everything because it was really good. Gonna start cooking now. Okay, so first thing first, we're gonna peel the green papaya. I'll add the link for the peeler down below. And this is my observation. In Asia, when we peel it down. Western, you guys peel it this way. I don't know why. Then we're gonna have ice bath. For me to have a firmer, crisp green papaya texture. When you bite in, it's more fresh and crisp. So the knife, and I'm just gonna lightly tap them. There's this indentation going into the papaya, and then after that I just slice it off. Green papaya, as I mentioned, is it a diet dish in Thailand? From 1D cooking class, what they told me is like the woman will eat it for digestion. Health benefits of green papaya is high in fiber, a lot of vitamins. Once we cut the papaya, we spin it to get rid of all the water. So as usual, before we go ahead, we have everything that we need in sequence: dried shrimp, chili, garlic, long beans or carrot, tomato, peanuts, and the dressing on this side. The last one we will put is green papaya and lime zest. But before I start, I know not many of you have this one. The other one is the one made from granite. Those are too heavy, so it will overpound the salad too much, and so you will lose that crisp. So another way is you can put it in a ziploc or a baking paper. Let's say for long bean, you will just put the long bean here or the green papaya that you have, and then you just smash it. We just want the cell to burst open like that so that the dressings and everything can be seeped through, but you don't want to overpound it, then it will not be crisp like what a salad should be. So we're gonna start off with garlic, chili, smash it. like that. Dried shrimp, like that. And then the long beans, pluck it, 1.5 to 2 inch. Som is orange or sour. Tam is tam, pounding. And then the tomatoes, so let it release the tomato water, just like that. And the peanut, we'll take half of it. The other half we'll keep it for toppings. The peanut acts as the oil in our usual normal salad dressing. And then this is a palm sugar. This is from my friend. This is a Nepal palm. She got it from me in China, which is her hometown. And then we add the fish sauce. Go in a circular motion to make sure the sugar is all dissolved. And then the lime juice, the lime zest. Smells good. Green papaya. Do this. And then do this. And do this. So, like I mentioned, the salad dressing is you have to taste as you go. It's not like how we do Western salad whereby you follow a recipe and then you blend it, that's it. So we have to taste because we have to take into consideration of the other elements inside. Oh, let's hit. Spicy first and then sour and sweet is balanced. I think people like it sweet and spicy at the first level. You can also use monk fruit sweetener. That will be a good alternative that is not processed. I don't want to over smash it, just enough. Once it's done, you guys have to try this recipe. I'm so happy with it. For the dried shrimp, you do not need to refresh in water. Just give it a good rinse and then we just chop it smaller if yours is too big because it gives the chewy, meaty texture. Add more peanuts. Usually I add a lot more because I love peanuts. Spicy, sweet, savory, nutty. Hint of the lime bitterness. That's really good. So if you haven't give any of my recipes a go, such as tom yum, go check that out. But if you want something for everyone's salad on a summer or any time of the day, this would be the perfect meal. Dun 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 dun. Perfect symphony. So if you like my recipes for today and what I've been doing, please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot for me and my husband, Calvin. See you next time. Bye. Cal.
Good.
The lime is an additional, nice addition.
It has that